At the end of the conversation, the father then bids his son farewell by saying, Ehoi mwanangu, ndozokuona kana mwezi wagara. Ehoi mwanangu, ndozokuona kana mwezi wagara. And to pronounce these words using the Pemjula method, here it goes. Gara, wagara. Mwezi wagara. Mwezi wagara. Kana mwezi wagara. Ona kana mwezi wagara. Kuona kana mwezi wagara. Zokuona kana mwezi wagara. Ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. Nangu ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. Mwanangu ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. Hoi mwanangu ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. Ehoi mwanangu ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. And the two most difficult compounds in those sentences are mwanangu, mwa, mwanangu, mwe, mwezi. Ehoi mwanangu ndozo kuona kana mwezi wagara. And that's how they end their conversation. Thank you for listening. I hope by now you are able to pronounce all the sentences we have learned in terms of this conversation.